In July 2025, the Neo 2 was spotted on the FCC certification website. Once a product shows up on FCC registration, it is a strong signal that the announcement is only months away. Some earlier rumors, particularly those that surfaced in May 2025, suggested a release in the first quarter of 2026. But given the timing of the FCC listing, it is very likely that DJI may make an official announcement in late 2025. Even if the company decides to push the release to early 2026, that would be a strategic choice rather than a development delay. Based on past DJI patterns, the Neo 2 looks set for a late 2025 reveal, hitting the shelves before the end of the year or at the very start of 2026. Like its predecessor, the DJI Neo 2 will remain under the 250-gram weight category. This is an important detail because drones under 250 grams often bypass extra permissions and licenses in many countries, making them accessible to beginners as well as casual users. The leaked specifications suggest the Neo 2 weighs around 135 grams, maintaining the lightweight approach while ensuring compact portability. The folded size is expected to be about 130 by 90 by 50 millimeters, making it truly palm-sized and travel-friendly. For many drone enthusiasts, portability is one of the biggest selling points, and the Neo 2 seems to stay faithful to this promise. Battery life has always been a crucial factor for drone users, and the DJI Neo 2 is rumored to bring meaningful improvements. The leaked specs point to a 1606 mAh battery, which is about a 12% increase from the 1435 mAh battery of the original Neo. This translates to an extended flight time of about 20 to 25 minutes per charge, compared to the 18 minutes offered by the previous model. While this may not seem like a huge jump, in practical use it means extra footage, longer flight sessions, and fewer interruptions to swap batteries. DJI has always focused on striking a balance between lightweight design and efficient battery use, and the Neo 2 seems to improve just enough to make a noticeable difference. The biggest improvement in the DJI Neo 2 appears to be in its camera system. Rumors suggest the drone will feature a 1/1.3-inch CMOS sensor, which is a major leap from the 1/2-inch sensor on the original Neo. This upgrade means better low-light performance, sharper details, and more accurate colors. Video recording is also set to improve, with the Neo 2 capable of shooting 4K video at 60 frames per second, compared to the 30 FPS cap of the earlier model. While photo resolution is expected to remain at 12 megapixels, the larger sensor and improved processing should deliver higher overall image quality. In terms of stabilization, the Neo 2 will continue with a one-axis mechanical gimbal, but with advanced software support, including rocksteady and horizon balancing. These features are designed to reduce shake and ensure smoother footage, even in less than ideal flight conditions. For casual creators, vloggers, and even hobbyist filmmakers, this balance of compact design and capable imaging could be one of the main reasons to upgrade. The DJI Neo 2 is expected to perform well in a variety of flight scenarios. With a maximum speed of about 16 meters per second in sport mode and wind resistance rated at level 4 up to 8 meters per second, it should handle both indoor and outdoor flights with stability. Transmission range is rumored to improve significantly, with the new O4 system providing up to 10 kilometers of range under FCC compliance. Control flexibility is another highlight. Users will likely be able to operate the drone through the DJI Fly app, voice commands, and the RC motion controller. Palm takeoff and landing are said to be even more precise in the Neo 2, making spontaneous flying easy without requiring the remote at all. These small usability improvements show DJI's focus on making drones not just powerful, but also approachable for everyday users. Like most recent DJI drones, the Neo 2 is expected to include advanced AI features. Subject tracking will be enhanced with GPS support, allowing the drone to follow moving subjects more accurately. QuickShot modes, such as drone, rocket, and orbit, are expected to return, along with fun maneuvers like acro flips for more playful flights. These intelligent features are part of what makes DJI drones so appealing, as they allow even beginners to capture cinematic-looking footage without needing advanced piloting skills. Safety has been given a boost in the Neo 2. One of the most talked about upgrades is the use of double-layered, full-coverage propeller guards. These not only protect the drone in case of minor crashes, but also make it safer for indoor flying and around people. The drone will also feature a return-to-home function and basic obstacle avoidance, offering peace of mind for pilots who may still be learning the ropes. Combined with the improved AI algorithms, the Neo 2 should be a safer and more reliable flyer than its predecessor. While DJI has not shared any official pricing, leaks suggest the Neo 2 will be priced only slightly higher than the original DJI Neo. The expected increase could be around $30 to $50, which is a small jump considering the range of improvements in camera quality, flight time, and safety features. This positions the Neo 2 as an affordable option in DJI's lineup, likely targeting casual users, travelers, and entry-level drone enthusiasts who want a capable drone without breaking the bank. One concern for buyers, particularly in the United States, is the ongoing tension between DJI and US regulators. In recent years, US Customs has detained certain DJI products under the Uyghur Forced Labor Prevention Act, citing unproven links to forced labor, claims DJI denies, pointing to production in Shenzhen and Malaysia. Some DJI drones, like the Mavic 4 Pro, have faced delays entering the US market. While the Neo 2 itself is not specifically banned, there is always uncertainty about how political pressures or proposed FCC restrictions could affect availability. Buyers outside the US are unlikely to face these delays, but American customers may need to wait longer depending on trade developments in 2026. For those who already own the original DJI Neo, the question is whether the upgrade makes sense. Looking at the leaked specifications, the Neo 2 brings a larger sensor, higher video frame rates, and longer flight times. The transmission range is significantly extended, making it a much more flexible drone for outdoor shoots. Considering the relatively small expected price increase, the Neo 2 looks like a worthwhile step up for most users. Should you wait for the DJI Neo 2? The DJI Neo 2 shapes up to be a thoughtful upgrade over its predecessor. It keeps the core appeal of being lightweight, portable, and easy to fly, while adding meaningful improvements in battery life, camera quality, stabilization, and safety. While there are some uncertainties around US availability, the overall outlook is positive. If you are in the market for a compact yet capable drone, the DJI Neo 2 is definitely worth keeping an eye on.